Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by isolating power. Disconnect the negative battery terminal and wait 10 minutes so system capacitors discharge. Once done, remove the lower column cover and nearby dash trim using a plastic pry tool to expose fasteners. Make sure to remove any steering wheel covers if they block access. Keep screws grouped by location. As you work, use short torque bits like T20 and T25 torques to remove visible screws, so the cluster housing begins to free up, and you can access the retention points. You now unfasten the bezel screws and carefully pull the cluster forward. This exposes the rear connectors. While you pull, support the weight. Do not let wiring snag. Release each locking tab on the multi-pin connectors by depressing the retention clip and pulling straight back. When a connector resists, double-check the clip before applying force. Make sure to label each harness 1, 2, 3 so reassembly is exact. Keep metal tools away from contact pins to prevent shorting, and stow the cluster on a soft surface. You finish by removing any final bolts and lifting the virtual cockpit module from the dash cavity. Handle the PCB and lens gently. Before reinstalling trim, verify connectors are fully seated and locks engaged. Refit trim in reverse order and reconnect the negative battery terminal last. Start the ignition to confirm the display powers up and gauges initialize. If the display stays blank, recheck connector seating, confirm a solid ground at the battery, and scan for stored codes. Those steps usually...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.